Okay, step by step and network adapt to even in NGVM. Yeah, I got this problem, so just recording this video for help if you have same problem. Yeah, test it works. First, have to power off the event if you setting something in EVNG machine. Yeah, it's very important. I make lots of mistakes from this step. So just shut down here easy and open VMware setting. Yeah, oops. Yeah, setting it from here and yeah, that one. Yeah, finish. Yeah, this is simple steps you can and yeah. This is step 3. Step 4, choose network types from oops. Okay. Step 4. Step 4 from set. For example, last one. Custom. I just choose this VMnet4 in the list. Okay. If you choose another way, same thing. That's all. Finish. So yeah, try to from net 1, 0, net 0, net 1, net 2, net 3, or net 3. This one net 4. Try test everything looks perfect. Yes. So this way is a correct way to add a network to ENG. Okay.